Welcome to Redline Review. The Bugatti Motorhome, which will be released in 2026, is the first motorhome to combine hypercars with ultra-luxury living. Those who are progressive collectors, celebrities, and billionaires are the target audience for the limited edition RV. It is a masterpiece in terms of design, performance, and elegance. Efficiency and powertrain performance. In contrast to other motorhomes, the 2026 Bugatti does not compromise on comfort in favor of performance. The powertrain and carbon aluminum monocoque chassis, originally developed by Bugatti, are utilized. A hybrid with a quad-turbocharged 8.0-liter W16 engine. In addition to having a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour, it boasts more than 1,200 horsepower and 1,100 pound-feet of torque. It is the first time that an all-wheel drive camper has been able to reach 60 miles per hour in less than 5 seconds, thanks to its 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The interior of a moving mansion, previously found in private jets and mega yachts, the cabin pays homage to the craftsmanship of the French by incorporating cutting-edge technology and luxurious amenities. Stylish lounge area, biometric entry, a removable table, mood lighting, a 65-inch roll-away OLED display with 4D Dolby Atmos audio, a panoramic electrochromic ceiling with a starry effect, a bespoke crystal bar with a champagne cooler, and hand-stitched Bugatti leather chairs with carbon fiber trim are some of the features that are included in this luxurious space. The full-width king-size bed is upholstered with memory foam and silk linen, and the walk-in wardrobe features automatic lighting and humidity control. The walls are coated with a mirror finish, and there are smart screens disguised inside them. An aroma diffuser, automated blackout curtains, carbon fiber accents on Italian marble worktops, and Gaggenau appliances such as a microwave, smart refrigerator, and induction cooktop are all features that are found in a luxury kitchen. A folding dining table that can accommodate 4 people, a wine preservation system, and electric espresso machine. The spa-level restroom features a heated floor, smart glass privacy walls, a waterfall and steam shower with mood lighting, a bidet toilet with gold accents, and a touchscreen mirror for skincare and media. Additionally, the restroom is equipped with a glass privacy wall. Integrated technologies and intelligent systems, 5G plus satellite internet with augmented reality overlays. An artificial intelligence-powered smart control system called Bugatti Life for voice and app interaction, a solar-tiled roof with a lithium-ion battery backup, total automation for leveling, water, energy, and concierge services. Entry based on facial recognition. The security and features are outstanding. A low-speed automated parking system and navigation within the city. Detection of thermal radiation and LiDAR in 360 degrees, alerts for medical drones and emergency health monitoring, control of fires in the engine and cabin environments, the intended audience, luxury companies, global campaign influencers, VIP globe tours, red carpet events, hypercar collectors, and billionaires looking for a unique mobile luxury experience are all ideal candidates for this kind of vehicle. Depending on the level of personalization, prices might range anywhere from $5 million to $8 million or even higher. Only 5 fully customized gadgets are anticipated to be available across the globe.